Imagine a simple activity that can transform your health, boost your mood, and even extend your life. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the power of walking and running. Walking and running are two of the most accessible and effective forms of exercise, each offering unique benefits for your body and mind. Walking is a low-impact activity that strengthens your heart and improves circulation, lowering blood pressure and reducing the risk of heart disease. For those looking to manage their weight, walking burns calories and can be done for longer durations without straining your joints. Regular walking also strengthens muscles and bones, reducing the risk of osteoporosis and keeping your body strong and resilient. On the other hand, running is a high-intensity workout that significantly boosts cardiovascular fitness and endurance, making your heart and lungs more efficient. Running accelerates weight loss by burning more calories in a shorter amount of time, and continues to boost your metabolism even after you stop. Both walking and running can improve your mental well-being, but running has the added benefit of enhancing sleep quality, helping you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper rest. Whether you choose to walk or run, both activities support joint health, keeping them flexible and reducing pain, especially for those with arthritis. So which is better? The best choice is the one that aligns with your personal preferences and fitness goals. Embrace the journey to better health, one step or stride at a time.